Hey guys, Leo here with another Nerd University video. This one is about trying to categorize our requests so we can figure out how do our members use us, what are they doing with us the most of the time, where do most of the members' requests seem to focus. What I did is I went into HubSpot and I exported all of the requests. So all of the tickets that I could get access to, I exported and imported them here in Excel into Google Sheets. So you can see it's a whole bunch. And then I took these and sorted them by date. So the newest request is at the top. And that, again, I did this yesterday. Created this little summary report. It uses a formula here that says if there's data over here, search for that data in the data set, which is the first 1,000 rows or the latest 1,000 requests from our members, and look at the ticket descriptions to see if any of these words show up in the ticket description. So for internet, I typed in Comcast Internet, ISP, ATT, WOW, and Xfinity. And I'm just guessing, like some names to say those things would be internet, what the member might be thinking of as internet. Modem, router, Wi-Fi, Orbi, I put those into network. Computer, PC, computer, Windows, Mac, Linux. Maybe we want to put Apple in there too. So if you just add something here, it will, see it jumped from 150 to 164. So putting Apple in there, added a bunch of stuff. Email, I put in email, Gmail, mail, and the pipe is just an OR statement in this formula. So like if we go down here and maybe we want to say, nerd visits, something like that, 3. What if we just put in visit? So it'll grab anything that's a visit with the member. That's 23. So, we could do that too. Visits. If you want to OR things in, you just put the pipe symbol in and don't put any spaces or anything, just put all the text together and it will search for those. And then it's doing a little chart down here that's just looking at this data and putting these words in. You can change any of this stuff you want to see what it does. There's probably not a real need to go over here and change any of this data. This is just the raw data out of HubSpot. We could probably look at it and get an idea, like create date and close date, maybe do an amount of time that the ticket was open or something, and see how quickly we're closing requests after a member makes a request. Anyway, you guys all have access to the spreadsheet. I've shared the report with you. Feel free to check it out or give your opinions or thoughts on it. Thanks.